Let me show you what most people think controlling LED pixels look like. This is a mess. But what if I told you there's a little black box that can control LED lights a lot better than I can juggle? The ENTTEC OCTO. I'll show you exactly what it is, what it does, and why every beginner needs to know about the ENTTEC OCTO. But first, if you want to see more tutorials like this, hit subscribe, ring the bell, do the usual stuff, and check the description below. Maybe there'll be a promo code if you want to get your own OCTO. But here's the part that saves you hundreds of dollars. So what is the ENTTEC OCTO? Think of it as a translator between the language that your computer speaks and the language that the LED lights speak. Your computer speaks Ethernet, which would be connected on this side here. The lights on the other side speak SPI. That's what we connect on this side over here. The OCTO will then translate the Ethernet, which will be streaming ACN or ArtNet, into a protocol, an SPI protocol that is spoken by from LED strips. For example, WS2812, UCS 90603 from memory, I think so. Anyway, you get the picture. The OCTO was originally designed to handle 8 universes. 8 universes. But since then, we've actually improved the firmware and it can now handle up to 16. That's double. This using a special mode we call Overdrive Mode, allowing you to have more headroom for larger installations. Now, just so you know, there is a little drawback to the Overdrive Mode where you do drop a little bit the frame rate, but depending on the application, sometimes you'll never actually notice it and you get double the output. So what does this 16 universe mean? Well, if you're new to DMX, let me explain quickly. One universe in DMX is 512 control channels. An RGBW LED requires 4 control channels. We have red, green, blue, and white. So on 16 universes, if I do the maths quickly, thinking, that's about 2,000 and something LED pixels that I can control from one of these little boxes. That's a lot of lighting. On the SPI outputs, I actually have 2 outputs, so I can split my control into 2 areas. Using the web interface of the OCTO, I can configure 8 universes on one and 8 universes on the other. I can also map which universes I want on those output ports. For example, in ArtNet, I could want universe 5, 8, 3, 2, whatever. I can map those using the user interface. That gives you flexibility when you're pixel mapping your project. So what does the OCTO do? The OCTO controls massive amounts of LED lights at once. On this table, I have 32 LED pixels, and they can all be a different color. Let me show you. This is the OCTO controlling each of these LED pixels. Now, you may be thinking, 32 pixels, is this it? Actually, no. Remember when I was trying to juggle these balls? Well, if this ball represents one universe, all these pixels represent 1/5 of these balls. So, 8 balls, 8 universes, this is one output. I have 2 outputs, 16 universes in overdrive mode. That means in total, I can control 2,720 of these dots from one single OCTO. That's my 16 universes. 60 seconds, complete setup. I think I'll do it a lot faster than that. First, let's get rid of these balls. Second, Ethernet cable. Connect this to my computer, running my control system, ENTTEC ELM. Best lead mapper software in the world. Okay, first, connect my ground. This terminal here. My data line on my first run. Now you'll notice also I've got these terminated with ferrules. A lot of people put wires directly into these screw terminals. Strongly recommend against that. The wires fray, you get bad contacts, your installation fails. It's just bad. Put ferrules, they're cheap and they work. Oh look, done. All connected. Now let me power it up. First time, that was easy. The Octo is now going to boot and it's running my sequence. I don't know what the time was, but I'm sure it was under 60 seconds. So you see, I did this in 60 seconds. It was super easy. Just connect the cable, screw the screw terminals in, and that's it. No engineering degree required, and my lights are working. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, or even put a comment below with a question that you may have about the Octo or how to set up your LED system. Check our description also for a little surprise. We're going to put a discount code for an Octo if you want to jump into it and get one for yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.